Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. So today, obviously you know that I am unboxing April's Simply Earth box. I love doing these. These have been making me so happy since I have been sitting home for the past few weeks. And I love diffusing and using essential oils. If you guys didn't see my latest video, I just did a DIY cleaners. I used a recipe from Simply Earth, and I use all Simply Earth essential oils. So this is what I receive every single month from them. And that last video, it's not sponsored. None of these are sponsored. So I just truly enjoy getting these, and I love using essential oils, especially right now with sickness. Like my daughter had a cough recently, and definitely using essential oils. I swear by it. Some people just aren't behind essential oils, and I guess that's really okay, but you can't hate them till you try them. So this is the April box. I'm gonna show you guys what's inside. They always send out 6 recipes a month and 4 full-size oils. Their oils are very reasonably priced, between like $10 and $20. Some places are way more than that, and these are 100% all natural. Also, 13% of every purchase goes to stop human trafficking. So if you guys didn't already know that. So this is kind of what the recipe boxes look like every single month. This is the recipe box. I don't know if I told you that or not, but yeah, so you get 4 oils. There's tea tree, peppermint, clean and fresh, and lemongrass. I have so many peppermint and tea tree oils, but tea tree oil is absolutely amazing. It is like a amazing like anti-bac disinfectant. It helps with like coughs. It helps with like dryness. There's so many different options. There's so many different things you can do with these. I will just leave that here because we're just gonna jump right into the recipe box. Looks like we got a toothbrush. So we're gonna do like some cleaning, a little spray bottle, a roller ball, and another little bottle right here. So they always send all of that over. And then they send stickers so you can label your items. Also 6 different recipes. So it looks like there's a Happy Home diffuser blend, and you use the clean and fresh, peppermint, and lemongrass. I really like the diffuser blends because I'm always wanting to try different blends. Work It Roll On. This, I've already looked through some of these, and this is gonna be, I need this. This is to like energize yourself and like uplift. I think we all kind of need that right now because I'm kind of starting to go stir crazy. I don't know if anybody else is, but I've been crafting a ton lately. My house is clean-ish, you know, so I definitely kind of get unmotivated at times and just want to sit on the couch and watch Netflix. So I'm really hoping that this helps. They do have like different energy roller balls that I have used in the past. They do work. So I'm really excited to try this one right now. There's a shine and spray. You just need vinegar, the clean and fresh, and a spray bottle. And you can use it to clean windows, dust on surfaces, and more. So that's cool. Use a microfiber cloth. There's a gunk remover, and a beeswax furniture polish, and a grout scrub. So we don't have grout, so I'm not going to be doing all of these. I'm just going to be doing a few, just to show you guys what this recipe box is all about. And if you guys want to sign up, it's $39 a month for the recipe box, and your first month you get a big box. So it'll come with beeswax, fractionated almond oil, fractionated coconut oil, and then you'll get a bunch of roller balls, and then like 5 milliliter bottles to add your diffusers in. So if you don't want to keep having to add like your 10 drops this, 5 drops this in your diffuser, then you can just save it in a 5 milliliter bottle and drop a couple drops in, and that's awesome. I love the big box because you can use it for so many different recipes that like I still have a ton of that stuff left over. So you guys, yeah, let's make some fun DIYs with essential oils, and I'm gonna test out the shine spray to see how shiny it makes everything. So yeah, let's do it. So the first thing, I'm just going to be diffusing this Happy Home diffuser blend. You'll just need 2 drops of lemongrass, 2 drops of peppermint, 1 drop of clean and fresh essential oil blend, and a 5 milliliter blend bottle if you choose. And if you do just want to keep adding this, so you have this all the time, you just add 40 drops of lemongrass, 40 drops of peppermint oil, and 20 drops of clean and fresh to your 5 milliliter bottle, so you have this diffuser blend all the time. And this smells so amazing. I just got done cleaning my house today, and it just makes it just even better. This shine spray, you can also use this on stainless steel. I didn't say that, but I didn't even know until I was reading a little bit more. You just need a 1/4 cup of vinegar, 20 drops of the Clean and Fresh Essential Oil Blend, and a 2-ounce spray bottle, which the spray bottle came with the recipe box. And it says do not use it on marble or granite countertops because it could harm the finish of it. So I just kind of tested it out with a microfiber cloth on my dishwasher, which is a stainless steel, and it left it so nice and shiny. You can see the fingerprints and the little smudges here. I've never had stainless steel before. This is kind of new to us, so I never know what to clean it with. I've been using like the stainless steel wipes to clean it, but this is so amazing. I was so impressed with this and was so happy with the results. And the last one I made out of this recipe box is this Work It roll-on. You'll need a drop of peppermint, 1 drop of tea tree, 3 drops of the Clean and Fresh, and then 10 milliliter fractionated coconut oil. And that is how much you'll need because you're just going to be putting in a 10 milliliter roll-on bottle. So you just add the essential oils and then you just add the coconut oil to the top of the roller ball. Put it back together, shake it well, and you apply it to your pulse points to energize and uplift as you work. You guys, that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up and let me know if you guys use essential oils or subscribe to Simply Earth. I would love to know. And yeah, that's it. If you're new to my channel, I'd love if you hit that subscribe button down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!